Good day everyone. Today I'll be showing you practically how to fix Nokia 1174 screen light, display light. Please don't forget to like, share, comments. Don't forget to turn on your notification. So when next we drop a new video, you will get notified. Thank you. So you first of all open the phone, you lose the phone, then you now service the phone, the light display, you service the IC. We are using inductor to tap the light from the button light to the screen light. Okay. Make sure you service it and you use your inductor. You lead it properly from the button lights. Yes, this is how you connect it. Then you take the other wire, you put it inside the hole, then you turn it to the other screen side. Then when you turn it here, you scrape the number 2 leg. Number 2. You see the legs, you scrape the number 2. The legs is about 14. Number 2, that's the connection. After connecting it like that, that's all. You put your battery on your phone. That's all. You see, your phone is working perfectly. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.